So hello friends, my name is Venkatesh and today I am going to show you how can we install Docker on our Ubuntu operating system. So in the last blog we have seen an brief introduction about our Docker and we have seen in a theory that how can we install a Docker or on our Ubuntu operating system. So we are going to perform Docker setup in Ubuntu operating system. So let's start our installation. So for installing Docker, we need to run some command so that it will install the Docker in our system. So always check our system is updated or not. So for the system update we have a command apt-get update. So it will update our system repositories to the latest version. So now it is updating, it takes some time. So now you can see it is updated, and here they are showing it is done. Now we have to install our Docker. For installing Docker we have a command apt-get install docker.io. It will install Docker in our system. So you have to say yes, capital yes. So after installation done, I will resume this video. Welcome back friends. So now our Docker is installed. As you can see, it will download from several repositories and it is unpacking the Docker installation, and then after here you can see we get our shell prompt. That means our Docker has been successfully installed. Now we should check what is Docker correctly installed or not. To check that, we should check the version. So for version checking, we have one command docker version. So you can see Docker has been installed with the version 19.03.8. So now, even though Docker is installed, we cannot use Docker right now. As you can see, if I open the Docker service systemctl status Docker. So sometimes it happens that it when it installed it is disabled, but in my case it is active. So so our service is started, so we can use now Docker. But for using Docker, as you can know, the Docker mostly runs on container. Docker is made up of containers. So we need for the container we need first operating system in image. Right now we don't have any image. You can see Docker image ls. So we don't have any image. For checking it is okay or not, we have several images to check Docker is correctly installed or not. So Docker pull hello world. So it will install diagnostic check container image. So our hello world image has been installed. So now time to check docker is correctly installed or not. To check, it should run our container from that image. The image is hello world docker run hello world. So you can see that they giving a message. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So in this way you can install docker on your ubuntu operating system, or you can install in any operating system. The command will be changed a little bit in other operating system. So thank you watching this video. Hope this knowledge is helpful to you. Please give reviews on the video and kindly subscribe to our channel Crucial Tech and Indeed Inspiring. Thank you.